invisible living world beyond our naked eye, CBSE 8, Science Chapter 3. The human eye can only see objects that are above a certain size. For a long time, many tiny things around us remained unknown. Long ago, people discovered that a curved piece of glass could make small things look bigger. The piece of glass was shaped like a lentil seed, thick in the middle and thin at the edge, so they called it a lens. Over time, lenses were improved to become more powerful. Each new tool, from simple magnifying glasses to microscopes, helped humans see what their eyes could not. The invention of the microscope opened a fascinating hidden world filled with tiny living creatures. We will explore some of these life forms in this chapter. You have already learned about the amazing variety of living beings. Just look around, there are so many beautiful plants and animals. They are of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some living beings are tiny while others are really big. They differ not only in their structure, but also in many other features. All these living beings, whether plants or animals, are called organisms. Have you ever noticed the smallest organism around you that is visible to the naked eye? Think about it. How small a thing can your eyes actually see? You might have seen some people using reading glasses, and they help them see better. What happens when we use a magnifying glass to observe something? Microorganisms are small-sized organisms and are not visible to the unaided eye. They can live in all kinds of environments and even in the bodies of plants and animals. They are either unicellular or multicellular. Bacteria and protozoans are unicellular, while fungi can be unicellular or multicellular, and plants and animals are multicellular. The cell is a basic unit of life. The body of all living organisms is made up of cells. A cell contains various components which help the organisms perform their functions and survive. A typical cell is bounded by a cell membrane, filled with cytoplasm, and contains a nucleus. Plant, fungal, and bacterial cells have an extra covering called a cell wall around the cell membrane. Bacteria lack a well-defined nucleus. Cells differ in shape and size, and their shape is related to the function performed by them. Bacteria, fungi, and protozoa are different kinds of microorganisms. Viruses are also small in size, but they are different because they reproduce only inside a host organism. Microorganisms can be beneficial or harmful to us. Some microorganisms decompose plant and animal waste into simple substances and clean up the environment. Some microorganisms reside in the root nodules of legumes, such as peas, beans, and lentils, and trap nitrogen from the air. They increase the soil fertility. Yeasts are fungi which are used in making breads, cakes, pastries, idlis, dosas, and baturas. Lactobacillus is used in the curd formation at home and in fermentation processes in the food industry.